Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you how we can enable accessibility menu on Android mobile. Friends, what is accessibility menu? First of all, I will tell you what is the accessibility menu. Accessibility menu is a large on-screen menu to control your Android device. You can control your gesture, hardware, buttons, navigation, and more. You can do the following things. You can take screenshot, log your screen, open Google Assistant, open quick settings and notification, turn volume up or down, and turn brightness up or down. Friends, now I will tell you how we can active this accessibility menu. One more thing I will share with you. If you see the mobile screen and see on right side down, you will see here a picture of a man like picture. This is accessibility menu. Sometime it's turned on automatically. How you can turn off this menu, or how you can enable or disable an accessibility menu. Friends, if we click on this picture, then you will see here these are the option. You can power on, power off. You can volume down, volume up. You can open recent app, brightness down or up, lock screen, and same you can go to quick setting, notification, and take screenshot. We will discuss how we can do and how we can enable or disable this menu. First of all, friends, if you want to go through this menu, you can click here and go to accessibility menu. Uh, Here you will see, friends, you can go to accessibility menu and you can this setting to turn off. Friends, as soon as we turn off this option, you will see here the option of men like picture is disappears, and now it's also again appears. Now we have switched off on turned off the accessibility menu. Hope we can turn on accessibility menu from settings. Go to settings and then scroll down the screen, and here you will see the special function, action, gesture, accessibility, and smart panel. I will click here, special functions. Now scroll the screen, and at the bottom you will see the accessibility tab here. Friends, now at the top you will see the accessibility menu from where which we already turned it on or off. You can see here it's turned off. Now if we want to enable this option, then you will tap on it and it will ask from you to can you allow this option, view and control screen, view and